To fix a router that won't connect to a modem, start by inspecting for outages and damages. Check your internet service provider's website for any scheduled maintenance or outages in your area, as this may be the cause of the issue. If an outage is reported, the problem will likely be resolved once the maintenance is completed. Next, examine the wire connectors and cables for any damage or loose connections, and replace them if necessary. If this doesn't solve the problem, try rebooting your router and modem. To do this, unplug the power cable from your modem and the backup battery, if it has one, and also unplug your router's power cable. Wait for at least 30 seconds before plugging the modem's power cable back in and allowing it to come back online. After a few minutes, plug your router's power cable back in and test the internet connection. If the issue persists, you can try factory resetting your modem by locating the tiny pinhole reset button and pressing it with a paper clip, pen, or pin for 30 seconds. Release the button and wait for the modem to restart before testing the internet connection again. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a router that won't connect to a modem.